Hey guys, it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now that we are done with everything about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus from the unveiling to pre-orders, and now that the devices are available in the stores, it's time to focus our attention on Samsung's second flagship of the year, the Galaxy Note 9. Samsung recently filed a trademark application for the Galaxy Note 9 moniker. Now the renders of the Galaxy Note 9 said to have been created by a fan has appeared showing some innovative design. The Samsung Galaxy Note 9 fan-made render showcased the device both from the front and rear. There are several new features on the device like the under-display fingerprint sensor, which by the way may not feature on the Note 9. The device also comes with a full-screen infinite display which has been regular since the Galaxy S8. The render suggests that the Galaxy Note 9 will come with a higher screen-to-body ratio than its predecessor, and even the Galaxy S9. And the standout feature is the triple-rear camera setup arranged vertically at the rear. We can't say for sure if Samsung is tinkering with the idea of including triple-rear cameras on the Note 9, but we may see the Huawei P20 launch with 3-rear cameras at the rear soon. The rear camera design includes tiny LED lights arranged on both sides of the sensors, while the LED flash will be located at the bottom of the cameras. The render also showed the Galaxy Note 9 will launch with wireless charging, a Bixby button, and would feature a stylus pen. Now let know, are you guys excited if Samsung launch Galaxy Note 9 like this? And let know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. And make sure to subscribe this channel for the upcoming daily tech videos. And I will catch you guys next one. See you soon.